music video.
Talk that thing, Duko.
We go come talk about your music video. Before we come back here, they tell our guy, you know, saying now only me. I said, there's no how woman, if woman won't ask you, say, how much do you earn, and you tell them, not be bad thing, no, to tell your madam, whether girlfriend, but not be bad thing. But bear it in mind, say, as you tell her that's salary 300,000, she go collect everything from you. Why? Because number one main reason. Man, you don't see extra money, go carry side chick outside.
Hey, wait, what? So you don't want to tell me your money so that you can be carrying all these girls and be dashing them money up and down? Oh,
See, if they calculate them for you for
you see why they talk to women they think like small.
You understand? Women they think
why would you even think of
you now as a man. You as a man now, okay, for example, as you take up
suppose now you marry man who be say before he come out house, he go stand in front mirror. Look, go stand, go look backward, look forward. He go say this top is not good. He go change top 1. He go change top 2. He say this trousers, he get as he be. You come out, don't spray perfume, finish. Okay, I'm just going to the gym. Nah, eh? Just going to the gym after you change 5 times.
No wonder our salary is finishing.
And then that 300K, out of the 300K, now only 37K you give her. And you think that her head not going to do the math.
And she don't know how much they collect. I beg, Oluchi from Lagos here. Good evening. Oluchi. Oluchi.
Hello.
Let me call her. Talk quick. Oluchi.
Hello.
Hello, lady. Good evening. I can hear you.
Oh, yeah, talk to us. We hear you.
Okay. Yes. Okay, I don't know. What's the word of contention here now? Is it not normal? It's only fair.
It's only fair. Make husband tell the wife his
My
salary.
sister, all is fair in love and war.
Yes, man. It's only fair that the man should let his wife know how much he's
Now,
now.
wait. Oluchi, you don't marry.
They can plan their home very well.
You don't marry. You can plan her home very well. You don't marry.
Is money home?
You
It has nothing to do with it now.
Check the money in our home.
Oluchi, you don't marry. Oluchi, answer me now. You don't marry.
Yes or no?
No.
You know, my sister, wait until you marry. Then you will understand what I'm talking about.
Yeah.
But before, not beside they insult you. No. But see, Oluchi, you didn't hear me.
I'm with you.
Oluchi, if you know, say your husband's salary now 300,000, you go plan around that 300,000, or you not go plan around that 300,000.
No, we plan including our savings now around the 300,000.
Oh!
Your money income.
You see?
You
understand?
I get it in there.
Your money income.
We will.
Especially when I'm also working too. You understand? We will plan with the whole not joint effort now.
Okay, with the one where you get, where you the bring
No,
And then me, I'm also not telling what I'm earning.
no, okay, wait. Una go plan around in 300,000 and your own money too, Abi.
Yes.
But why must it be the whole 300,000? Why must it be the whole 300,000 when they collect?
Why must it not be the whole thing?
Oh! You see him? Good night, Ibiko. Alici, good night. Mabi from Ikorodu, good evening, I beg.
Okay.
Hello?
Women.
So you see him now?
That's the wahala day. Your husband is
All of them
300K.
the same.
You just budget family plan around the 300K. How bros want to manage for
I
yourself?
want the money for himself. Now, this man where they see, so this man according to how to talk, this man will go outside, he go buy beer, he go drink beer with guys.
Go buy fuel.
He go fuel car.
He go buy gala for road.
Now, see him, But we'll talk this one. Tell me say I did lie or not. You be woman. You go fuel car. You know say money where you collect na 300K, and then you know how much they come up for the account, and then you can't ask the man come buy fuel on Monday. You know say in office now from the office they VI and in our house they lucky. They drive in not too plenty. Then 3 days later the man come tell you say, I need to go and buy fuel. Fuel! Did you buy fuel tank 3 days ago? Oh, yeah, have you been driving your car? That is how you spend our money. You understand?
Most definitely.
You understand?
Those things go to come out.
It could not be saying a bad thing.
No.
Not be saying a bad thing. I'm not saying a bad thing.
No bad thing, but
you know, not just honestly.
women are
From Niger, good evening.
Now question.
Yeah, hello.
Question upon question.
Yakubu,
Yeah, hello.
talk to us. Took months for this topic we discuss.
Yeah, hello.
Hey,
We didn't hear you, Yakubu.
hello, Yakubu.
Good evening.
Evening.
hey, we hear you.
How do you work?
Work day.
I know. I say, boss, I just been one ask me, I say, well,
Okay.
Hello, you there?
Eh.
I just been say, ba.
Eh.
You get any method where you say do am? I know they every day they do program and they watch. I need to see hair for your head. I don't understand. How did they do am?
You the
You dey monitor am?
wait. Are you a monitoring spirit?
No, not be monitoring spirit. As in everything what they see every day for.
Oh, you know they see hair for my head.
The hen
Na your hair?
they do am because I want to see they do am.
Okay, next thing go do. Look for water. You know water bottle.
No.
Look for water bottle. Look for what should I get water bottle? Look for ugu, dry ugu.
Carbide.
Grind them, put them inside. Then look for carbide.
Plus charcoal.
Then grind carbide like small. Where you go?
Okay.
Then look for palm oil. Pour 'em.
charcoal.
Then charcoal. Pour 'em. Then you know
Okay.
Shake 'em.
early morning peace. They say they work well. Early morning peace, especially on a Sunday.
Yes.
Sunday peace.
Yes.
Make it don't gather from Monday to Sunday. Sunday. Peace out. Shake 'em. Once you don't drink 'em, I swear, if you head go for your head, make I'm not in it. Good night, people come.
Black now.
Good night.
He didn't listen to
You understand? Nah. Oh God.
We didn't talk about that.
Hey, Chika, good evening. Because... How you doing, my sister?
I'm fine.
Oh, I took mouth for two to talk.
For me, I would say it's good for the husband to be telling the wife the salary.
It's good, Abby.
What you want to talk before?
All right, Chika, thank you very much. Thank
I
you.
won't answer. So you fit tell your husband your husband.
Chika.
Or you go reduce am by 30K.
No, it's to me. Well, back to you, Likuti. Tell us the things where you did work on, because we're not going to even get time to talk to you. Tell us the things where you did work on, and what to make people expect from you.
Okay, actually, today, officially, I've been dropped a song
Wow.
I made with E. Kelly.
Oh, E. Kelly, okay.
Nice.
So I dropped the song. It's on iTunes, though. So
Okay.
we drop it officially today. Ariwo is the title.
Ariwo. Okay. So if one get the song Ariwo, how do you go take get her?
You simply Google it.
Google,
and
just
then
go.
go to
Okay, just
iTunes.
Google
Ariwo by Likuti.
Ariwo by Likuti.
You gonna get it.
You go fit get them. Hello from Port Harcourt. Good evening.
Yeah, so they do still upon the matter. It's here. One thing it is good to make an review at of a salary. There are conditions.
Okay.
Must be disciplined because if you marry woman will be waster or man will be waster, as we have for some people. Where as you see the money fiam one time, I use money fiam. Now no, you will lose that right, that privilege.
Okay.
Right?
Okay.
So, no, you understand?
Yes.
So now with wisdom, the person where you tell must be matured enough to be disciplined to work within that what I get, within a plan.
Okay, so
you
if-
understand?
as I- if
And
you
it's
dey
like,
okay to comot
okay,
small money
I want buy
from the
one
salary
shoe
to
200,000 because you don't know how much I get. You don't go work like that. And when would they plan to maybe buy house or buy car or pay house rent? You understand? So that be the thing. While it is good to not to have secrets, people would have it to know whatever you're earning, plan with it and live within that means. It is upon both of the parties to be disciplined and responsible. To be what I call a financial responsibility or financial frugality. What is money?
Where did be your work?
I'm the media man too.
Oh, no wahala. Thank you very much. See, make una understand what you dey talk o. Me o, Katimo, Likuti, Easy Bit. Not be say we say na bad thing e be o. Not be bad thing. It get some people say when they go tell you, when they go tell you say, then they spend too much. Say that because of say their wife know their salary, now it make them they feel arrange themselves.
Yes.
It gets people when they say they different when they say then go know your salary. They will that's okay. Since your salary na 300K,
Yes.
or you keep 100K.
Yes. Bring 200.
Bring
yes.
200. If not so, it is okay now.
All right.
And also that 200K where I they give you.
But
make sure say
wait. Suppose you work for somewhere where we say one day you no quick go work, so then come out your money. So that 300.
You come get the money.
How you go explain that?
You understand?
It's not, this is just the money.
Now ending easy bit before I come up for inside studio. Now 1 minute to get how you go take advice. What do you believe for this matter and how if you go happen, what go happen?
Okay, on my own, if I go tell my wife, say how much I collect. If I collect like 300, at least maybe I can't do kind enough. I tell her, say, wife, see what I collect. So, but I
See, I
expect.
did kind enough. This easy bit.
Wait now. Wait now. So I expect make she tell me.
I collect 250.
Wait.
So I expect me to tell me, say, okay, maybe fine. So how much you want to give me every month? Make our tidy the house. So if I tell her, okay, how much you want to collect? At least as a reasonable wife, she will tell me, say, they give me like 100 or 150. Okay. So how you want to spend your own? I don't want to know.
Okay.
But I'm saying you can't build your own budget. I have my own.
Let me do the work. Okay, what if as a man I can't go outside? I won't go surprise you.
Where I want to see him?
Where I want to see the money from? What if I don't give you everything?
I won't carry you to one place.
Hey,
go trip.
On your birthday, I won't give you trips. You can't tell me, say, honey, don't do better for me. I know your amount. You don't have money now. Don't do it.
Anyway, Likuti, what you go talk? I'm just going to follow you on top Twitter, Instagram, the rest of them.
On Twitter, follow me at Likuti_Uruka. Likuti, L-I-K-K-O. No, L-I-K-K-L-E-T-E-E. L-I-K-K-L-E-T-E-E. Then _Uruka, Uruka ring, O-R-U-K-A. Then on Instagram, official_Pupa Likuti. So that's
official_Pupa.
On Instagram.
Pupa Likuti.
Instagram.
Pupa is the middle of a caterpillar. Is the process.
Anyway, double twilight to everybody who call us today, and also double twilight to Likuti. We'll make our time to stay with us for Inside the Studio today. Very with us well. Very alright. This guy is very catch somebody. Forget the hair with the CEO. He's a correct company. And those of you they give you salary. Thank God for now. Those of you husband, they give you salary. Thank God for now. Where they collect our money, run our home.
If you know, just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.